Welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about Agile values and principles. What is Agile? In 2001, 17 technologists discussed their framework in the lodge at Snowbird. They found a better ways to develop software and wrote the Agile Manifesto with 4 values and 12 principles. Agile is nothing more than a time-limited iterative approach to project management and software development, enabling companies to master continuous change. It is a mindset over a framework, process, or methodology. It is a set of values and principles. There are 4 Agile values. Agile Manifesto says we can develop software better by valuing the item left side of the list more than the item on the right side of the list. First one is individual and interaction over processes and tools. Valuing people more highly than processes or tool is more important because it's the people who respond to business needs and drive the development process. Second one is working software over comprehensive documentation. Agile gives more value to working software than documentation. The customer is being provided with a working software and changes from the customer more frequently, and hence we have a happy customer. Third one is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. In Agile, customer collaborates throughout the development process, making easier for development to meet their needs. Customers are more satisfied when they are involved in product development rather than just in contract negotiation. Fourth one is response to change rather than following a plan. Traditional software development followed a plan and regarded change as an expense, delivering a lesser value. Agile welcomes changes in spite of following the plan. There are 12 Agile principles that support the values. The principles are very general and they are less about telling you what to do, but they are about giving you the ability to make a good decision. First one is our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Second one is Agile welcome changing requirements even late in the development. Third, deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to a shorter time scale. Fourth, business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Fifth, Agile gives the team the environment and support they need and trusts them to get the job done. Sixth, the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. Seventh, Agile states that the primary way of measuring progress is working software. Eighth, the sponsor, developers, and user should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Ninth, continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhance agility. This doesn't mean we need a big theoretical design before starting to code. Good design can emerge as the software evolves. 10th is simplicity. Keep it stupid and simple rule applies here. Do today only what you absolutely need to do today. No future proofing, no gold plating. 11th, teams should learn to self-organize all aspects of software development from gathering requirements to deploying their code and giving demos. 12th, at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. How do team becomes agile? Some says team to be agile means writing a user story on sticky note cards. Some says it is a methodology for developing software. Some says to be agile means attending meetings, but in actual making each decision based on the principle and values the team has decided to follow makes it agile. Mimicking other teams' action and practices won't make your team agile. There are several situations when the team need to make decisions. Some of them we'll see. There is a discussion between the team before starting a project about how to get the requirement from the product owner. One of the team members says that the product owner should write all the requirements and sign off on them before beginning the work. A team that is following Agile would say, isn't that inconsistent with our beliefs that we should value customer collaboration over customer negotiation? And doesn't it violate a principle that says that developers should be working with a business owner every day? At this point, team has to make decision according to the agile values and principles. Another situation is, consider a developer who is working on the features decided to deliver in next 2 weeks. A product owner comes and informs the developer that there is a change in a feature you're developing. Developer, in spite of refusing for the change, agreed with the change but intimate the product owner for the change in duration. This shows that team is following agile and welcome changes in between. When you have a team that's based on agile, they will be making 100 decisions in each week in the way described above. When we see an agile team, we see the practices they are using, and the practices come from agile values and principles. In fact, a good agile team is probably going to refine and change with the practices with time. That was all about agile values and principles. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please leave in the comment box for any suggestion related to new videos. We'll definitely come with that. See you soon.